Hello everyone. So for the past several days it's been raining here. And like many gardeners, I found myself waiting for a break in the weather so that I could get back into the garden. But then I realized something. Instead of wishing the rain away, maybe I could spend a little more time appreciating what it does, right? So do you notice that after the rain, everything seems greener? The leaves look happier, plants stand up taller, new growth appears overnight, it seems, and everything just looks nice and fresh. And so now the garden is fresh and full of life, even though we might not be able to see it. I'm the first one to admit that when it starts raining like that, I get restless seeing all this rain because I want to go out, I want to weed, I want to plant, I want to film, I want to do everything outside. But this rain, I feel like it's holding me up. All that rain, you just want to get out there, but the rain is stopping me. I even want to go out there and play in the rain sometimes if I can, just like a child would. But all this water everywhere and all of that. But you know what? After the rain, everything is nice and fresh and green. Water settles on branches and on leaves, and it looks so cool, and everything smells fresh and nice. The rain does wonders for your garden. So every garden needs rain, even when we don't want it, but it needs it. Sometimes we just have to let nature do its work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.